Good morning. May I have a bacon pie and a smoked herring pie, please? No bacon? I am.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. What's your name, sorry?
Kelly.
Oh, this is yours then?
Yes.
This is all Kelly.
What pie is you wanted?
A bacon pie and a smoked herring pie.
I follow you all the time.
Appreciate that, man. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. This here is Dasheen. Hey, good morning, people. We're here at the Park Savannah Farmers Market Saturday morning. Oh, tomato peppers. Morning. Ooh, seasoning smelling good, bro. Should probably get some herbs for the soup that I'm making for you. Okay. So after coconut, we got Kelly's here with hot doubles, and that's I had the bacon pie and the smoked herring pie. The bacon pie was boss. Smoked herring pie is going home. Good morning. I am. What's your name?
Debbie.
Nice to meet you, Debbie. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I tell myself to recognize your face.
You take care, all right?
Okay.
Real seasoning in here, boy. Look at these.
Seasoning shadow benny sauce, tamarind ginger pepper, mango pepper sauce, mother-in-law Karaili ancha, lime pepper sauce, mango ancha, roasted pepper, hot pepper, sweet mango chutney with almonds and raisins, apple cider vinegar and spices, the dope curry pepper, mustard pepper. I go too fast?
No, but you've said it a few times, haven't you? Because you know it offhand, man.
Yeah. Okay, we have things without pepper too.
Yeah.
And everything, the one half pepper, it go on a scale of 1 to 10 because everybody can eat hot pepper.
Yeah.
So you could get something mild and get something. Yes, you ginger?
Huge. I'm a huge fan of ginger.
Well then, look, this is the last $20 and $15.
Oh, okay.
I just sent to get some more in ginger pepper. Wonderful.
So chocolate tea. That's cocoa. This here is what's called cocoa pod. So inside has the grains of the cocoa. So I might look for it.
These are the flowers that you were talking about?
Yeah. Beautiful. This is all bird's eye pepper. So small there.
Chili is it's called a bird pepper. It's
Yeah.
very hot.
Yeah.
Look at the size of the pimentos.
Hello.
I like 996.
Yeah.
You don't broil for 3? Maybe half of that. That one is too big.
Thank you. Alright.
Yeah. Alright, this is 30. Cut it up? No, I'll leave it over.
Here's one pole.
It's alright. This is a Chinese steam dumpling we call power.
I came for 6. Now I hear you.
Chinese steam dumpling.
Two of these. All the time I work.
How are we doing? How are we doing? What are we doing here? We got your breakfast or what?
I only get one for him.
Oh gosh, man.
This one's called the pudding bomb. Down here, pudding bomb. And this one here, that's what we call shatine seed. It's very, what you do, you boil it, you peel it back, and it tastes just like roasted chestnuts. Hello. Yeah. And this is what the black pudding bomb looks like. So the outside is cassava, and on the inside here is blood pudding. Oh, it's decent. This one, I ain't gonna lie.
But you don't eat meat.
Love it. So, ladies and gents, I just tried the guava pepper sauce here, and I think it was excellent. The Corrilli was the other one, right? And what's your name? Sorry.
A&A's homemade pepper sauce and seasoning.
Okay, perfect.
Chemical-free seasoning, no starch, no water, no vinegar. That is pure seasoning.
Looks like the stuff
I'll
I
give you
make,
a
man.
card.
Yeah, please.
What is it you have in it again?
Saltfish.
No, like some other thing.
Oh, you can put pepper sauce.
Bagland, have you already one?
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Nice, nice. Oh, okay. Pastels outside of. I'm sure sucker bag is. Good morning, how you doing? You know the face? Maybe you know the voice. The mini spicy beef. Morning. Yeah, Roma's. Now it's dry. The reason why the tomatoes are so small is because it's dry season now. Plus, this is the size we like in the Caribbean. We don't like them overly big.
Eat that entire thing.
Very, very simple. Look at that, you vein shark, and you're cleaning the veins for him. That is what we call shatine.
What would she have for breakfast?
Fruit and yogurt. So when are we going to go to grocery store? I ate the pie already. Yeah.
Morning, sir.
How you doing?
Nice fresh pumpkin, $2 apple.
I noticed that. Looking good, man.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Bygone.
Everything? Alright. Okay, so the length of these ones?
Oh, shit.
Morning. How you doing? Beautiful, man. Nice hot peppers, bud. This one here is called kaimet. It's a fruit as well. More, it's called kaimet. It has a sort of a, the texture is hard to describe. More of that cocoa pod that we saw earlier up there. And I do apologize for the talking because I'm having conversations at the same time with the people I'm traveling with. Shrimp for $150. Morning.
Hi, morning. How are you?
Good, thank you. Big wahoo kingfish. May I see what the fish looks like?
Certainly. We have wahoo, aka the Tobago kingfish. When you go by Miss Jean and Miss Esme, this is what they will
There's a
serve
place
you.
in Tobago I went and they had a treehouse restaurant. Gemma's, I think it's called.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
And they had
Yeah.
fresh kingfish just keep coming in off the
Yes,
boat.
well, this is what we're talking about.
Oh, okay.
Good morning.
And this one is what?
I
Salmon?
passed you three times.
No, I saw it once.
I passed three times
Get
and you
salmon?
did not
Okay.
recognize me.
This is all ocean salmon, right?
Yes, yeah,
Okay.
deep sea salmon, and we have redfish.
Ooh, this is my one here, boy. Some nice snapper in here.
We have redfish. Everything clean. Everything clean.
Beautiful, boy.
Like those peppers.
I do.
Take you so long to get there.
We spent 2 days there, but what we saw in 2 days was
This one here is called Babadine. And when it's ripe, when it goes yellow like that, we make a drink with it or we make ice cream and stuff like that. That one is the lady that told us
does it
earlier.
taste
It's a mami sipu. Very custard-like.
Okay.
A punch. Like a smoothie. These are all the green seasonings we would use in our stews and soups and everything else.
Thank you.
Yeah, these are yard beans. Sorry. Ginger. So dried bay leaves from the same tree that Gregory has in the yard there. Thank you. We have two different types though. We have one called Cinnamon and we have one called bay leaf. And common fall yard, fall simply means the ones you have running around in your yard. Not necessarily layers, but you'll notice a different color in the eggs as well too. And here we got cassava, yuca, we got yam, we got dashin. Oh, 5 finger. That's called carambola. And locally, this one here is called piti tambo, and you would boil it in salted water. And it has the texture of water chestnuts once it's boiled. Mango. So this one, that's shad up, right? That one is shad up. It's a big sort of grapefruit. So there's the grapefruit in the back.
Yeah, is this one more like a pomelo then?
Kind of, but pomelo thick and very
Like the grated, like the pulp.
pulpy. That